Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply a mosaic effect only to an object in a video on CapCut. So first, you just need to add your clips and copy the clip. Okay, now put one of the clip in the overlay. So click on overlay. Okay, now it will become like this. Now on the overlay clip, click on it and remove its background. So go to cutout and click on remove background. Okay, wait for the removing background process to finish. Okay, so after the background of the overlay has been removed, you just need to head to the mosaic effect under the video effects. Find the comic category. Okay, and then here select the mosaic effect, this one. Okay, click on the check icon, make sure that the effect apply to all of the clips, then click on the object and choose overlay. Click on the check icon and you are done. You can see now that the mosaic effect applied to the object of the video only. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.